Hi guys, welcome back to Success Corner. We are here with daily chemistry MCQs and today we will be continuing on the topic P block elements. So before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Question 1. Which is not used for bleaching? So H2O2, yes, it is used for bleaching. SO2 is also used for bleaching. Cl2 plus H2O is also used for bleaching. So oxygen is not used for bleaching. So the correct answer here will be option 3. Question 2. General formula of alum is. So you should remember that in this case, M will be a monovalent atom, M dash will be a trivalent atom, and there will be total 24 H2O. So therefore the correct answer will be M2SO4 dot M dash 2 SO4 whole thrice dot 24 H2O. So that is the correct answer is option 1. Question 3. Which of the following does not give oxygen on heating? So NH4 whole twice Cr2O7, yes. This does not give oxygen on heating. It gives nitrogen on heating. So here the correct answer will be option number 1. Question 4. If oxalic acid is treated with concentrated H2SO4, then gases formed will be. So you should know the reaction between oxalic acid and H2SO4. So when it is treated with H2SO4, it gives carbon monoxide plus water and CO2. So the correct answer here will be option. Question 5. Chlorine water on standing loses its color and forms. So chlorine with water when it stands for a long time, so it becomes HCl and HOCl. So the correct answer will be option number 4. Question 6. Which intermolecular force is most responsible in allowing xenon gas to liquefy? So you should remember like xenon is a noble gas, therefore the answer will be instantaneous dipole induced dipole. Therefore the correct answer is option number 2. The reaction 3ClO negative gives ClO3 negative plus 2Cl negative is an example of. So in this reaction, as you can see, chlorine goes from +1 oxidation state to +5 and -1 oxidation state. So this type of reaction is called disproportionation reaction. So the correct answer will be option number 3. Question number 8. The stability of dihalides of silicon, germanium, tin and lead increases stability in the sequence. So the least stable will be silicon dihalide, then germanium dihalide, then tin dihalide, and then lead dihalide. So here the correct answer will be option number 2. Question 9. In view of the signs of delta G naught for the following reaction, so PbO2 plus Pb gives 2 PbO and delta G naught is less than 0, and SnO2 plus Sn gives 2 SnO. Here delta G naught is greater than 0. Which oxidation states are more stable for lead and tin? So as you can see that lead goes from +4 to +2 oxidation state and delta G naught is less than 0. That means that +2 oxidation state for lead is more stable. Similarly, for Sn it goes from +4 to +2, but here the delta G naught is greater than 0. That means that +4 oxidation state is more stable for tin. So the correct answer will be option number 4. Question 10. H2 can be obtained by. So by which methods hydrogen gas can be obtained? So by electrolysis of acidified water using platinum electrodes, yes, hydrogen is formed in this way. Obtained as byproduct in manufacturing of NaOH by electrolysis of brine solution, yes, in this also H2 is formed. And 3. Reaction of steam with carbon monoxide, yes, in this reaction also hydrogen gas is formed. So the correct answer here will be option number 4, that is all of these. These were today's 10 MCQs. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.